This is my honest opinion of the Etoolcity automatic shop vac switch that I use for automatically turning on my shop vac with my table saw, my sander, and a drill that I have that plugs in I use for pocket holes. Alright, the way I have my switch hooked up is down below. I have it attached to one of the legs there of my outfeed table on the table saw. And so when I would set everything up, I just roll it into place, and then I have the table saw cord. I plug it into my little baby extension cord that I have plugged into the switch, just like so. And then after I plug in my table saw, I have this other 12 gauge, by the way, extension cord that I plug into the switch. You can't see it here, it's attached to the leg here. This is just the back of it. I plug it in like so, and I'm ready to go. I got my sander plugged into this other little tiny 2-foot 12 gauge extension cord. So I have my sander plugged into it and my table saw, so I'm ready to do sanding on the top here, and I'm ready to use this as an outfeed table. And my vacuum's all plugged into the switch, so it automatically turns on. It is awesome. All right, I wanted to show the best feature about this. Well, the best feature is probably that it's automatic. When you turn on the table saw, or I have the sander hooked up to it too, whenever you turn it on, it just automatically turns on the vacuum. That is an awesome feature. I was gonna get a foot pedal, and I'm so glad I went this way. This is much better. But I wanted to show you the delay too, because that is an awesome feature. It prevents you from tripping the breaker or the GFI. So let me just demonstrate how the delay is. I'm going to turn on the sander, and then at the same time I'll time it. When the vacuum turns on, I'll stop the timer. So yeah, when I turned the sander on, it took about 2 seconds, just over 2 seconds for the vacuum to turn on. And then when I turned it off, the vacuum stayed on for almost 10 seconds.